In this video, I'm going to show you how to place orders on ThinkorSwim. So placing orders on ThinkorSwim is essential for trading stocks, options, and futures. So first, make sure you open the ThinkorSwim and now go to the Trade tab on the left navigation bar. And then in here, you can use the search bar to find the stocks, ETF, or options you want to trade. And then you can now choose the order type. So click on the bid price if you want to sell, or ask the price if you want to buy. And then this opens the order entry where you can customize your order. And for the order type, you can choose between market, limit, stop, or a stop limit. And then for the quantity, you can enter the number of shares or contracts. And then for the price, you can set your price for a limit orders. And then for the time in force, you can select a day for same day executions or GTC. And after that, just review and place the order, and then double check the order details to ensure accuracy, and then click confirm and send to review the final order summary, and then click send to execute the trade. And then after that, go to the monitor and manage your order, and then track your open orders, and if needed, modify or cancel an order by right clicking on it and selecting edit order. So some tips I can share to all of you is use the active trader tab for a faster order executions, especially if you're a day trading. And that's it. Now you know how to place orders on ThinkorSwim. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.